Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making this chicken curry. It's just nice and simple using common ingredients from my pantry. So I've got about 500 grams of chicken that I'm going to use, chicken pieces, seasoning with turmeric, about 2 teaspoons of turmeric, and also I'm using some curry powder. You can use any curry powder, and yeah, about 2 teaspoons of curry powder. Also adding garam masala. So adding garam masala, some salt, and also adding some plain yogurt. So I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and now I'm going to mix and marinate the chicken for about a few minutes. So now I'm just cutting these 2 small onions, so they're medium-sized onions. So just cut them. I'm just adding some oil in a large pan, just making sure the oil is nice and hot. So now adding the onions. So cook the onions until they're nice and soft. So now that the onion is cooked, I'm adding the chicken, and the chicken has been marinating for a few minutes. So now I'm just adding the chicken. just add some water and using the lid cover and let the chicken cook for a few minutes. So now I'm going to add some tomatoes. So add some tomatoes and mix through, and then simmer until the tomatoes are cooked. So using the lid cover and simmer for about 20 minutes. So just adding some salt and pepper for taste. And adding a little bit of water.
Oh my God, right.
So for some creaminess, I'm going to add some coconut milk, just to help with some creaminess.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, you missed everything. You hit
Some
one
coconut
shot
milk.
standing still. Oh my God.
Just bring this to boil, guys, and simmer for a few minutes or until the sauce is nice and thick. And then I'm going to add some shallots or some spring onions, or you can add coriander or whatever you've got. But this is how I made this chicken curry.